Hi everybody, this is Jody Becker and I'd like to take you on a tour of rock hounding in Central Oregon. Our first stop will be Dendrite Butte in Coglinton Hollow. Here you'll find limb casts and some opalized wood. Both of these sites have been popular for many years, so very little material still remains on the surface, but if you're willing to take the time and effort to dig, you can still find some really nice limb casts. If you look where other people have been digging, you might come across some potential leads of where you could put your shovel in the ground. It's really muddy when it's wet, so bring a four-wheel drive. Our next destination is Glass Butte, where you'll find varied obsidian. It offers a wide variety of gem-quality obsidian, including rainbow, black, pumpkin, mahogany, midnight lace, gold sheen, and even the valuable fire obsidian. The roads are not maintained, although there's quite a few of them dotting the landscape, and it's really muddy when it's wet, so again, bring your four-wheel drive. Our next destination is Hampton Butte, where you will find beautiful petrified wood. It's widely known for the unusual green petrified wood that you can see here. In addition, you'll find red, yellow, and other unusual colors at this site. Very little material is left on the surface, but if you go in the spring, you can usually find some. My kids and I have referred to this as the April Easter egg hunt at Hampton Butte. And that brings us to our next destination, which is Maury Mountain. Here you can find moss agate. The site is really popular for its red, green, and yellow varieties. But with most well-known sites, very little material is still left on the surface for collection, and you will need a pickaxe and a shovel to dig into the deep and sometimes pretty wide veins of agate at this site. It's amazing. The next site we're going to visit is Whistler Springs. You will find agate and jasper at this site. It has hike-in access only. It's about a quarter mile, so bring some water and bring a pickaxe and a shovel because you might need to chip these out of big basalt boulders. But a lot of the specimens have cavities that are filled in with the druzy quartz, and the agate and jasper is often attached to large rocks. At White Fir Springs, you will find jasper thunder eggs. These are amazing when cut, so if you have a lapidary saw, this is definitely a worthwhile collection site. The road is closed in the winter due to snow, but it's worth it to collect these beautiful jasper thunder eggs. And that concludes our tour of rock hounding in Central Oregon.